Just a view of my new cylinder head. You can see here, I don't know if you can, oh yeah, you can there, look. So I've got some new liners fitted, but I've also had them K-lined. I've had all of the guides, got new Collis Burrow K-lines put in. We've diamond lapped the seats, had head polished a little bit more, and you can see that the inlet bores have had a little bit of work done on them as well. So I'm really happy with the state of the head. These are the valves you can see with the finish on them there, obviously numbered so I know which way to go. The inlet caps have been lightened by the edge there, and we've gone and measured all of the springs. I just need to do a little bit of calculation to make sure I've got some new washers to fit underneath the springs to make sure that they are in the right place. But the springs are all within tolerance, which is good. I just need to make sure that the spacers now fit, and obviously got some new stem seals for the inlet, none needed on the exhaust, and we'll get on with the head now.